Alright guys, we got a 2017 Ford Raptor that we want to add 2 keys to, and the reason why is because the key that's on this vehicle right now is not the right key. It's just, one of these Fords, but we want something, more fancy, you know what I'm saying? Got the Raptor. So here we go, 2017 Ford Raptor. So let's go to the Ford. And let's turn the ignition on. Push the button one time. Alright. Oh. Okay, so let's go to automatic selection. Read. Okay. Smart key. 2017, yes. Let's go to hot function, add a smart key, start. All right. We don't want to erase anything. And okay. Okay, ignition is on. All right, it says please wait 3 to 10 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait 3 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna see if these keys right here work on the vehicle. Right now they are not programmed. They do not work at all. So now where you program this, there's a spot in the vehicle. So normally it's in the cup or in the arms or in the glove compartment. So in this vehicle you're actually gonna go right here, and you see that keyhole? That's where the key is going to go. So we're going to stick this key actually inside right here, and that's where it's going to get added. Then we're going to add a second key right over here to the vehicle as well. So just a few more minutes. Alright, so now it says learned keys are 2. So we're going to say okay. Alright, place the smart key to be learned in the slot. We just showed you that's where the slot is. We put the new key in there. Now we're going to say okay. It's learning the key. It should say 3 after this. There we go. We heard the lock and unlock third key. Do we want to learn the next key? We are going to say yes. So let's put this other key inside. Right over here. It's inside. And do we want to learn the next key? Yes. Okay. Alright, awesome. Do we want to learn the next key? No, we don't. Alright, perfect. Escape. Now all the keys should now be programmed to the vehicle, so we will show you that it all works. This is a new key that we just programmed. Let's see. Unlock, lock, no problem. And we will show you the new key as well right here. Doing the same exact thing. Lock, unlock, and it starts the car as well, so we don't have to be worried about that. All right, thank you so much for watching. 2017 Ford Raptor, added 2 keys to the vehicle using the Autel Im608.